Welcome to another episode of Let's Dump a Bunch of Things in a Casserole Dish and Call It Dinner. On today's episode, we're making mashed potato casserole. 2 cups of mashed potato flakes. Dump them in. 3 cups of boiling water. Half a cup of milk. A cup of sour cream. A little garlic powder. Let's mix that in a touch. Grab some cornflakes, we're pouring those right on top. And finally, some shredded cheddar cheese. And then bake it at 350 for 30 minutes. Mashed potato casserole, let's dig in. That's sticking to my ribs. Me and my neighbor have become good friends, and we decided to share a water supply together. We got along well.